Dad, when was the first clock invented?
The first mechanical clock was invented around 1283 AD.
What? Then before that, how did everyone know the time?
Then people invented the sundial. The shadow changed position all day.
So, the shadow tells the time?
Exactly! Long before clocks, people watched the sun. As the sun rises, people wake up. As the sun reaches overhead, farmers stop for lunch.
Wow, the sun was like a giant clock.
This is called an hourglass. The falling sand measured time.
That's so cool.
Time is over! Some people used water instead of sand.
So even water became a clock?
Yes! At night, they even used candles.
That's smart.
Many towns simply listened for bells.
So everyone knew what to do.
Then came the first mechanical clocks around 1283 AD.
So this changed everything.
Later, people carried time in their pockets.
So they carried a tiny clock. Now everyone carries time on their wrist and even in their pocket.
And it all started with people simply watching the sun.
Who discovered a year has 365 days? Dad, if there were no calendars back then...
That's one of the most fascinating discoveries, all about it in part 2.
Please like and share if you want to see part 2.